All right, everybody. Let's start now.
National
So as you can see your name one more time. Divya, sorry, Devika is present. Eldridge is present. I just check again. Rudran is present. Shanice is present. So you see my arrow, right? Shiloh present, Vaishvani present, and Vincent Low present. So 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes before lesson ends, I will check again. Those people who are not here, I will just tick and put it as absent. Is it okay? Can? All right, let's move to our lesson today. So today is lesson 29. As I mentioned to you before, you are supposed to do your lesson before you are supposed to do the worksheet, right? Okay, hold on. I meet this person. Sorry. Wait a minute. Let me see. Who's that? Okay, hello. Is it Akshaj? Right? If you are Akshaj, I will just mark you as present. Correct? Okay, so your name is present like that. Okay, so okay, let's start now. So basically, right, before we start our lesson, before we start this lesson, yes, Rudru, hi, Rudru, you
my,
raised your hand for something.
my birthday is before
Anything?
National Day.
Your birthday is before National Day, ah?
Yeah,
Wow,
my birthday is on
you're very
Thursday.
lucky person. Oh, Thursday,
Thursday.
Oh, okay. On National Day itself.
No, no, National.
Wow. Okay, that's great. Okay, happy. It's on National Day, correct or not? 9. Your birthday is on 9.
Oh,
The
not
day after National Day. Oh, okay. So happy birthday then. Sorry?
my my
Huh?
my 3rd August.
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, 3rd August. Wow, so many people's birthdays in August. Okay, come, let's go on. So, what do we do every week is that 88 Tuition, right, will upload their worksheets, okay, on the student portal. So what you guys do, what we normally will do, this is for students who drop in. So is that the students go and try, right? Go and try and go and do. Now, there are 3 ways to do, all right? 3 ways to do it. So the first way is to type in all your answers online, correct? So after you type in the answers online, what happens is the system will auto-mark it, correct? Then after that, you sort of, you know your answer, which one is wrong, which one is correct. Now, some students, what they do is they download it, all right? They download some students go and download the worksheet and they print also. So it's really up to you how you want to do it, right? But most students will just type the answers, all right? And then the system will auto correct. Now the thing is, after you do the worksheet, right? When after the auto correct, nobody explained to you. That's why you come for this lesson. So the teacher, okay, teaching this lesson will go through or any other lessons if you're taking math or science, right? So the teacher will explain to you how to derive at your answer if it's wrong. Some students can get all the answers correct, very good. But it's okay if let's say you get it wrong. It's okay. That's why you have lessons, right? You attend lessons. So if you get it wrong, it's all right. I'm here to teach you for that particular lesson, and that particular lesson is lesson number 29. Okay, so if you're not well and you didn't do the worksheet, your lesson 29, all right, it's okay. We you do it with me. You can do it with me. Is it okay? Meaning that you can always download the question and then after that you can do it with me. If not, we do it online like this together. Is it okay? Can let's move on. Please go to learn and attempt lesson 29. So today, right, what we're gonna do is we are gonna do 3 things. Every week we do 3 things, right? Every week. So this week, 88 Tuition has selected editing to do, all right, vocabulary close to do, and composition to do. Now, sometimes you already know, right? Sometimes we have grammar, we have vocab, and then we have comprehension, right? Sometimes we have editing, we have synthesis, and we have composition. So it's 3 things that 88 Tuition worksheet is made up of, right? 3 categories. So every week they can change the categories. So it's not necessary only do editing, vocab, and compo. So every week there will be changes. Is it okay? So it's not like every week is fixed only to do certain topics. Is it all right? So this week, the worksheet that you are doing will be on editing, vocabulary close, and compo. Now, the thing about editing is that you need to have two things, right? One is spelling, they will ask you on spelling, and then the other one is grammar, right? Okay, let's move on now. Answer all questions. Type all answers in the given spaces. Please refer to vocabulary bank sheet to add in phrases or words learned during the lesson. So there's a vocabulary blank sheet at the end of the paper, right? There's vocab, right? So you can type in all the vocabulary bank sheet in that particular worksheet. Is it okay? Can? So so let's move on now. All right. So 88 house rules. So this is not my house rules. Okay, this is from 88 tuition itself, from the company itself. So everybody just adhere. Okay, just follow through this particular rules. All right. It is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. So this is the house rules of 88 tuition. All right. Because our lessons are recorded. So what happens is it looks like that. Okay. So yeah, so everybody is you must show yourself, right? So it's only fair. Is it okay, Ken? So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, Ken? All right. Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. Ask a question, answer a question, share feedback. Okay. If there is if there is anything urgent, I think my handphone. Okay, Ken. All right. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, you want to go to the toilet, please inform the teacher and return ASAP. Please be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. All right. So let's move on. So far you are very good students, right? You all actually follow through whatever that was told. Yes, Devika, you raise your hand. What is it about?
What is ASAP?
Oh, ASAP, as soon as possible. So return as soon. This means as soon as possible. ASAP. Okay, it's a short form for as soon as possible. Okay, so let's move on. So now we're going to do editing. Okay, so first one, editing. Let's go through this now. Hold on for a while. Let me go back here. Let me get my pencil. Okay, tigers are easily identified. Wait, okay, Shiloh. Thank you. So Shiloh, later you just check your answers together with me. All right. Tigers are easily identified by their orange fur with dark stripes. They are the largest wild cats in the world. Now, why is the fur orange and dark stripes? Now, you notice something about tigers, right? They are found in Asia, Southeast Asia, or in warm tropical climate. Now, this warm tropical climate, right? It's sunny, correct? It's sunny. Because it's sunny, right? The orange color, right, on its fur actually helps it blend in the environment. The dark stripes, right, actually give it like shadows, like shadows on it, right? So when you combine orange fur and dark stripes, right, it looks like the environment in the forest itself, right? If it's very bright and sunny, right, because of the orange fur, you may not be able to see it. It can camouflage itself. That's why it's orange and dark stripes. Is it okay? Somebody trying to chat? One image. Okay. Hold on. They are the largest wildcats in the world. All right. So imagine. This word is imagine. So how do we spell it? So something wrong with the spelling here. I will just put the word SP first. Is it okay? Later I show you the answers in the next slide. Okay. So you can write down the word to spell it. Spelling is wrong, so you just type it yourself, okay? Or you can always type, or you can always write it down. Imagine 8 children on a large weighing scale, right? That is how heavy, and so it's about 8 children, So imagine, imagine yourself, right? Okay, imagine yourself times 8. Or maybe yourself the bigger size, the taller students, right? Or the bigger size students times 8 of that. That is how heavy an adult tiger can be. So 8 times your weight, right? Tigers are not only large in size, but they can also run very fast. You might not think that such large and fast creatures need help to survive. How you spell survive, right? Okay, so this is another one. Ips. Yeah. SP. Tigers are hunted by humans for various reasons. Again, SP. Okay, SP means spelling. Easy, huh? Okay, Ken. So Eldridge is also trying. Okay, that's good. These tigers. So what do you think? These, because it's these, okay, it's plural, isn't it? So because it's plural, okay. So is this correct? Yeah. So this one, is this correct? These tigers' body parts are often used as medicine or decorations. This one is SP also. Okay. So let's have a look. So quite a number of people chatted with me already, as you can see, right? Okay, let's go through the answers now. Oh, I think I forgot to do something. Can you don't annotate on this screen, right? Please be mindful that we don't have people who annotate on this screen all this while. So I don't know if you aware if you I will disable. So if let's say right, I need you, okay, whoever that has already done this, okay, can you please erase it? I will enable again. Can you please erase this? Because on my side, right, I don't think I can. I cannot erase this. So is it possible that you erase it? Because all this while I disable it. So today I think I went in too fast. So I did not disable that. I need you to I see if I can erase it. But because it's not coming from me. So don't draw anything. Yeah, can. So I can. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to do this. I will disable. Okay, wait. Hold on. Because just now I went in too fast. Usually before I come in, I will disable annotation for others. Okay, I disable. Okay, can. So okay, sometimes it's by accident. All right. Sometimes if you do it, it's by accident. So what you can do is you can always erase it. Then you just inform teacher. Okay, can. Thanks. Imagine 8 children on a large weighing scale. So spelling is IMAGINE. Most students give me some answers just now, which you get correct. Good. Fast creatures need help to survive. You got spelling correct also. This one. Various is tigers are hunted by humans for various VARIOUS, various, right? Okay, the next one, because these tigers, right? These tigers. So how do you spell tiger and tigers? So you need to write down the plural form first, like this, tigers. Okay, and then you draw like this. Then you draw the apostrophe like that. This means it belongs to a plural, many tigers. These tigers' body parts like that. Okay, the next one is often used as medicine or decorations. Spelling is like this. Are you okay with that? So 2, 4, 5. I hope you can get 5.5 for this. Yeah. All right. So that's editing for you. Primary 3. If you are having a test, take note of the spelling your teacher did in class. The spelling list, you go and memorize. Okay, most of the time, right? If you have a test, editing and all that, especially editing, right? Some of the words come from your spelling list. So you go and memorize the spelling list in school, okay? Because different schools got different spelling lists. Okay, I go on next page now. Now we go on to, so we finish editing, all right? So I think most students, some of you texted me, so I think most students can get a full mark. Only maybe few students can did not get this correct. Never mind, now you know how to do. Because of the word these, you write down tigers first. After that, it's like this. If it is this, right, then it becomes like this. Singular. This one is plural. Understand or not? Plural and then apostrophe. This is singular and then apostrophe. Okay, can? These, you see, the S, the apostrophe after S. This one is apostrophe before S. Okay, let's move on. Next. Now we're going to go on to vocabulary close. Okay, why am I showing you this? Because the topic is about digestive system. So first, right, from your digestive system, the food goes from your mouth, all right, through your throat, and then through your esophagus. I'm not sure if you have learned this in science in primary 3, but if not, right, it's okay. Now you learn, okay? So because the topic